Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on market.com. So we are now here at their trading page, and if you want to buy gold, it's quite simple. You go right here to search and search right here for gold. There you will find right here gold, so we click on it, and then right now you will find right here the gold chart. Then if you want to buy gold, we select right here buy, fill in right here the quantity that we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 1 ounce of gold. That's exactly this value right here. And then if you click here on place new order, we created ourselves a position on gold. So we just bought 1 ounce of gold. So this is in a nutshell how you can buy gold, and if you want to buy it with a take profit or stop loss, you can also click here on advanced orders and then put a stop loss on it or a take profit if you want to do on risk management. So this is exactly how you can buy gold on markets.com. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.